Hello everyone, welcome to the series of variations, and today we are going to learn a new assignment. That is, we have to find the maximum repeating number. Okay, so we have given an array of size n. The array contains numbers in the range from 0 to k, we can say. We have to find the maximum repeating number in this array. For example, let k be 10. Let k be 10. The given array be, say the given array is 1, 2, 2, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 8, 0, 9, 2, 3. So, in this array, if you can see, the maximum repeating number would be 2. For sure. The expected time complexity is O(n) and the extra space allowed is O1. Number 1 point, modifications to the array are allowed. So how we are going to find out this? See, the approach will be, we will be running two loops, the outer loop and the inner loop. The outer loop will pick the element one by one. I will just put on the indexes as well. So these are the 3. Acha. Okay. So these are the indexes. See, the outer loop will pick the element one by one, and the inner loop will count a number of occurrences of the number of the count. See, there will be two loops, of course. One loop, the outer loop will count will iterate and will pick the element one by one. The inner loop will count a number of occurrences of the picked element. See, if 1 is there, the inner loop will just count how many times the 1 has been occurring. Finally, return the element with the maximum count, and the time complexity of the approach will be n raised to power 2. O of n raised to power 2. This will be the time complexity. Apart from this approach, there is also one approach. The better approach is to create a count array of size k and initialize all the elements as 0. Iterate through all the elements of the input array. For every element, increment the counter value. Finally, iterate through the count array and return the index with the maximum value. You can also do it like that. See how we are going to do this. We will be doing this with a very simple approach. Assume, I'll be just changing the array because it's a very large array. Assume we have an array having the elements 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4, 1 and 7. This is the array. This is the array where k is, that is the size of the array, is of course 8, or we can say n is the number of elements, that is also 8. We will iterate through input array A for every element if we are taking it as I. Okay, now for every element present in this array, increment the array element as a of I modulus k. Okay, using this formula, if we can say a of 0 modulus the value of k is 8, right? What is a of 0? 2 divided by 2 modulus 8, then 3 modulus 8, then 4 modulus 8, then 5 modulus 8, like we have to do it like this. So the array will become 2, 11, 11. You can also calculate at your own. 11, 12, 1 and 15. Okay? After doing this calculation, find the maximum value in the modified array. Which one is the maximum modified element? Maximum value, sorry. Which is the maximum value? This is the 29. The 29 is the maximum value, right? Index of the maximum value is the maximum repeating element. The maximum value index, the maximum value, the index of this maximum element is what? 3, right? I'll also cover up it. Now, if this is the maximum value and this is the index of the maximum value, now can you see which one is the repeating number? 11 was it? 11, 11, 11. 3 times it has been repeated. Also you can check in over here. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is being repeated. So 3 index, I mean to say 3 is the number which is the maximum repeating number, and that was the only thing we have to find out, the maximum repeating number. So we can do it by using this thing. Also, if you want to get the original array back, we can iterate through the array one more time using this scenario where, okay, and then we can also get it, right? So we can do it like this. Let's just move on over here and let me just create my array first. 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4, 1, 7. 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4, 1, 7. Okay. Then we have k is equal to 8. We have n equal to a dot length, maximum repeating element a, k, n. Now create the method. So this is my array, integer array, then n, then k. Okay, now I will iterate it through the array. Okay, for every element of array of I, increment by using that formula. For now, I'll be just keeping it void. Just iterate it. I is equal to 0 to I is less than n and I plus plus. Right? Now, what will I do? I modulus k. Okay. K. Just do that. After doing this, find the index of the maximum element. Max is equal to a of 0, just declaring some variables. Result is equal to 0. Okay. So what we will do, create the for loop I is equal to 1 से लेके I is less than n तक चलो. If a of I is greater than max, max में क्या सेव कर दो, a of I, just find out the maximum element and result में सेव कर दो आप I को. That is it. For now I don't want my array to get back, so doesn't matter to me. Add return statement and add result. So I just wanted my array, that is it. I don't want the element back. So if you can see the output, it is maximum repeating element is 3. Okay, so this is how we can find out the maximum repeating element. Hope you guys understand. Thank you very much.